the job scorecard. In my last video, I talked about the importance of core values and 4 different ways you can use to source good candidates into your talent pipeline. In this video, I'm going to share a very important tool that'll help you move closer to your goal of A players and getting all the right people in the right seats. Welcome back to Agile Growth with Shri. This is a place for CEOs, business owners, and entrepreneurs to find actionable ideas, tools, and frameworks that helps them grow their business faster. Hi, I'm Shri Seshadri. I'm a CEO and senior leadership team coach, and I help my clients build enduring companies. And I do that by using my framework called the 5 drivers of Agile Growth, where we focus on strategy, execution, culture, cash flow, and talent. If you want to have the right people in the right seats, you have to be very intentional about designing and defining each role on your team. One of the best ways to do that is by creating a job scorecard that is specific for a role. Now, this job scorecard idea comes from the classic book Top Grading by Brad Smart. Now, that book is used by some of the smartest companies on this planet to hire, assess, and manage A players. We're going to take that idea of the job scorecard and go a little bit deeper into that. Now, in many cases, people think I already have a job description, right? That I used to recruit people and so forth, and this sounds the same. I would argue that a job description is more like a job ad. It is designed to make the job look attractive to potential candidates so that you can entice them to apply for the job. However, in most cases, the job description just does not have enough detail in it. They may not capture the realities of the role. One of my friends described it to me this way. He said, a job description, imagine you're using some online dating website or app and so forth, and what you put on your profile is more like a job description. It doesn't really capture all of you or who you are. That would require a lot more time and detail. Your job scorecard has 4 sections. First, it has a purpose. This should be a short sentence that answers the following questions. Why does this function exist in the organization? What is the linkage between this role and the organization strategy? Next, it has functional accountabilities. This should be the 3 to 5 key accountabilities that this functional role owns and answers the questions. What are the key accountabilities of this functional role? What are the 3 to 5 reasons a person would get paid for this role? Third, it has key competencies. These are the 5 to 8 most important abilities or a skill a person needs to have to be successful in this role. Now, the person filling this role should be good at and or strive to continually improve to fulfill these competencies. Fourth, it has metrics. How is success measured for this role? These are often derived from functional accountabilities. There are often some kind of KPIs that this function executes on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. In terms of rolling out the job scorecard, I would recommend that this should be done first by the CEO and then the senior leadership team, and then cascaded throughout the organization. Now, in some cases, you might have the CEO or some other person on the leadership team who's accountable for more than one function. So let's say, in addition to being the head of the company, the CEO is also accountable for sales and for finance. In that case, the CEO would create 3 job scorecards, one for head of company, one for head of sales, and one for head of finance. And this job scorecard should be used as a basis for performance reviews, and it can be really helpful in creating role clarity, transparency, and accountability. I wish you the very best in creating the job scorecard. So far in this video series, we began by talking about the importance of having A players and having the right people in the right seats. In this video, we've talked about the job scorecard, and in my next video, I'm going to share with you a very robust methodology to hire A players. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it valuable. Please feel free to share, like, and comment. If you have any questions or feedback for me, please leave that in the comments below. And make sure you check out my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.